Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning and deep cleaning cycles on a Canon Pixma MG5550. Now this is nice and simple, we're done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel you can see here. Now to get to the clean, we're going to use the down arrow on this pad over here until we have setup on the right hand side of the screen. Then we press the button underneath setup and we need to go into maintenance, which again luckily is the first option. So we press OK to go into there. And we have two options here, cleaning and deep cleaning. Now how these cleaning cycles work is the printer pushes fresh ink into the printer's printhead to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink that might be within the printhead. The big difference being deep cleaning uses more ink, but is more thorough. So I'd recommend the standard cleaning as the first port of call. I'm going to press them there, press OK again, and you'll hear noises coming from your printer, like you can hear now, as it pushes that ink through. So you can expect some whirring and clicking. But after a minute or so, you'll be brought to a page like this, and your printer will automatically offer to print a nozzle check pattern for you, which is like a test page, breaks down all of the colours that your printer is capable of printing. So I would recommend that as an ideal next stage, so you can see what needs working on. If you're interested in more details on that page, we have a separate video on our channel, so feel free to check that out. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.